guys, welcome back to my channel. You know what's funny? I'm already ready to go back to my blonde hair. I just love the blonde so much. This stuff is dry right now, y'all. It's dry because by the title, I bought a wig from Amazon. I want to try a wig because for graduation I have to wear a wig. So I was like, might as well go and start practicing. Even though I got somebody doing my hair, like for my wig, then I'm going to get a really good wig because I want to walk across the stage and have hair under my cap. So I bought a wig from Amazon, y'all. I don't know what it looks like. Here it go. I got a wig cap in here too. I don't have a wig stand. I was like, baby steps, let's just see. I never bought a wig before, okay? So this is actually gonna be really funny, and I hope it turned out right, because it's a really cute wig, but you know, stuff you get, it's just, everybody get weird stuff, and I feel like when you order stuff from Amazon or anywhere else, it might not be how it wants. I've seen too many pictures of people messing up on their wigs. I was like, oh my god, this is like stressful. How do people wear wigs? So let's just get into this video because I'm curious about how it's gonna turn out, because y'all gonna do it with me. So this is the wig cap. And I didn't pick this one out. I was trying to I had to go do something, so I told my mom to put a cap in a bag. Like, I just told her to put one in a cart. So this is guess it was two of them in here. Okay, so new cap. Let's put this on first. I need to see what the wig look like too. You know what, let's hurry to see that. Because I know I'm gonna have to tweak this. I already know, I hear people talking about having to fluff it, mousse it, you know, brush it. And this is human hair, so I didn't want to do the synthetic. I don't know what, yeah, I don't know about hair, okay? So, it come in this right here. Look like a shoebox. Y'all, I don't know wigs, okay? Y'all can tell I don't know wigs. I haven't had hair in like freaking forever. Okay, it don't even, okay, it's in the net. I was like, is it gonna come in something? So this is what it comes in. Let's see. Okay, it don't smell this good. Okay, let's see what we about to do with this, y'all, okay? Let's put the cap on first, okay? I don't know what to do first. Let's put the cap on so I can see what I'm working with. Okay. Why does it look like fishnets? Oh, and there's two in here. Okay, I know how to put a cap on, I think. Is this the inside or out? Yeah, I'm like, girl, come on. And I got a big head. What if the wig don't fit? Okay. Okay. And this is a wig with bangs, so I don't have to cut this, okay, or nothing. Y'all, I do not know how people do wigs. How do y'all do this stuff? Like, this is stressing me out already. Do you put ears behind it? Anyways, let's just see, okay? Okay, let me see what I'm working with, and we're gonna put this thing on before we gotta tweak it. This would be so funny. I feel like this would be a fail video. Okay, hold on. Oh my god, girl, come on. So this is what we got. Hold on. The bangs is up here, so it's gonna look. I feel like it's gonna look so crazy, but we're gonna tweak this. Okay, I already know I'm gonna have to tweak this because, and it's not sticking. Like you could pull through it, which is good. Okay, we got a part right here. Can y'all even see that part? It's a part in here somewhere, y'all. This is so funny. Is this a, how do you put a wig on? Okay, hold on, let's see. I know this is about to be funny, y'all. Me trying to wear wigs is like hilarious. I be seeing people just do like this and then that, so we just gonna do that. Let's go. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, I actually did that, like, put it on right, kinda. Okay, why am I looking like MJ? Hold on now, I'm gonna have to cut this. Okay, Halloween. Let's see. Oh my god, this is like me with hair. This is crazy. Oh, this stuff is in my hair. I'm gonna have to cut some stuff, y'all. And what we doing? Okay, hold on. Where are my scissors? I'm about to cut this because I can't see nothing. I'm about to put some mousse on this. I'm about to brush this. I'm about to fix this wig. Okay. Oh my god, what the heck am I doing? Like, these bangs are too long, first of all. So y'all, like, this is so funny. Okay, y'all, first of all, I had to turn the air on because this is on the fan. It's hot as hell in here with this damn wig. And it might sound weird because I had to get another battery for my microphone that just went out. So, let me see. So, y'all, I got my mousse. I used the Cantu mousse. I'm just going to start moussing this stuff. That's what my mom said. She was like, it's supposed to help tame this, whatever. Hopefully, it'll mellow this out. Me trying to wear some hair looking like an auntie over here. I wish I had a freaking wig cap. Okay. You know, we might be able to, and it's a little shed, and I'm not mad at it, though. But I'm also a newbie to it, so I'm trying to learn how to wear wigs and, you know. It's also because y'all have never seen me with hair, and I haven't worn hair. Like, I've never worn a wig. I think I played in a wig before, but that's like mostly it. So yeah, the shedding ain't too bad. It is some shedding, but it's not too bad. But y'all, I want to wear this tomorrow because I have my friend's birthday party to go to. I'm just going to throw her off. She's going to be like, what the heck, girl? I'm like, girl, I don't know. And we're going salsa dancing. So I got to find something to wear. And I was like, I didn't want to wear my purple hair. So that's why I was like, okay, I really need to do something. But that wasn't the point of buying this. I wanted to buy something to put, I wanted to try to do some makeup and like wear the wig. And it's not knotting up either, which is really good. So yeah, minimal shedding, okay, y'all? I'm pretty sure I think that happens if you buy wigs from certain places. I don't know. It's already tamed it down, which is what I like. So I am going to do this bang. Y'all, the bangs is what's killing me. I'm like, how am I going to wear these? This bang. And y'all, this is so weird with me with hair. Let me pull the camera down too, because it's too high up. Okay. I feel like I really am looking like an auntie over here. Okay, I might have to cut these bangs again too, y'all. I don't want to cut them too low. Well, no, I might not have to. Let's put some mousse on them. Oh well, if I mess it up, I mess it up. I don't even care no more. I really don't, y'all. It's like trial and error. And I don't have this secured either, y'all. I was trying to see what it look like on me first. I might cut these lower though, because I still gotta see. If this shrivel up is what I'm hoping for. But I'm over here looking like James Brown. You know, what's that live video when he was... Nah, let me not even do that to myself because that was not cute, dude, and that's not me. Okay, okay. You know what? It's not bad. I actually might trim these because, like... Okay, it's so weird seeing me. I can't... Don't get the hair stuck on the lashes. It's... Okay, you know what? Baby steps, y'all. I never seen myself with hair, and this is like... I'm trying to get new to this. Okay. I got this wig cap up too damn high. Sorry for my language, y'all. What's that? Y'all know what's his name from the little when they was what's it called? That scene from Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory when the Oompa Loompa was doing. They was in that little hair room and he had all the hair. That's what it's giving. So let me. How much mousse I'm supposed to put on this stuff? I'm definitely trimming these hairs though, because I kind of want shorter bangs. I don't know, y'all. I got this wig because I really wanted bangs. I don't know why I wanted to see what I look like with bangs. Okay, it was like actually I think I had a weave before sewing. It was like 7th grade though. But yeah, I wanted to see what I look like with bangs, and I was like, let's just get one with bangs. Okay, this long piece do it belong up here or what? I don't think so. No. I was throwing this off too. So we finna trim this, okay? We're just car cutting. I feel that's all you can do. And is this turned right? Oh no, there we go. People, I swear y'all with professionals with these wigs, y'all are some freaking amazing people because I do not know how to do this stuff. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, let me try to stop acting like I don't know what I'm talking about because I don't. I'm gonna gather, because I want it longer right here. I'm gonna gather the bang hair and just trim a little bit. So just so I can see, I kind of don't want it straight. I kind of want it uneven just because I don't want it to look too messy. Let me see. These things are long. Like, they're really long, y'all. And I really got, you gotta see. Okay, you gotta be able to see. But I don't want, yeah, see, that's okay. See, this okay. This, well, yeah, that's okay. It's just the middle part. Let's just try to see what we talking about. Okay, y'all, your girl is trying to fix whatever this wig is. You know, I was trimming everything. I was like, I didn't have to trim too much, actually. It was just the bangs that I trimmed. But I put a lot of mousse on this. Because, y'all, I don't know how to do wig. I don't know. I never had to, like, actually like trim a wig before. I never put mousse on the wig. I never had to do this. Okay. But you know what? I made it work. I was trying to see. I was like, I need to see when I drive, when I talk to people. I need to see. And then I got lashes. But at the same time, I like how I look with bangs. I did not think it would fit me. At the end, it turned out amazing. Like, I love how it looked. But yeah, I was like trying to trim back and forth. That's all it was. That's all you really can do with this wig is like play with it. And I was like, girl, cut that big piece. Look at that. Yeah, catch that. I might cut it. I don't think I have to cut it a little more. My sister told me I ended up fluffing it out more toward the end. But it's actually look really cute. This really surprised me, y'all. Like, really surprised me. Okay, y'all. I'm getting somewhere, okay? I kind of like the length, but I feel like I might need to trim this hair itself because it's a lot going on here. I like it, but it's a lot going on. Let's see. Let's see what we can do again. I can't, also it's hard for me to see, like, so I might have to cut these again. I don't want to cut too much of it though. I don't want to cut too much of the hair. I kind of like it, but I need to make sure it's even. I see something throwing me off here. What is? Yeah, I don't need the lashes that's up in my, not the lashes. I don't need the hairs that's up in my eyes because I have lashes on. Like, come on now. Ooh, I can see this way though, but it looks so messy. You just gotta tame this stuff. And I like the little waves though. It's not a bad, whoa, let me fix that. It's not a bad wig though, y'all. Like, this is not a bad wig. It's actually really good for the price. Oh, this hair. Come on, girl. Come on, come on, come on. I don't know how I'm gonna wear this tomorrow if I wear it. This is so funny, me trying to do a wig. Now, maybe if I pull it back, it helps like this now. Because I think I had a 240. That might have been what it was. That might have been what it was. Oh, it's already, let's see, this would be cute. I also got a big head, so it's weird for me right now. I just feel like I look weird because I never had hair before like this. I might have to trim the rest of this hair, but it's not a bad wig first round, y'all. It's first time wearing a wig and buying a wig myself. It's not that bad. You know, but it's like I pull it too up and I look like George Washington. Pull it too far back and I don't know what I look like. Okay. You know what? I'm not mad at it. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I wanted to show y'all that I bought a wig. First time. I'm not mad at it though. Let's put some on my lips. It's throwing me off. Okay, so I wanted to show y'all on a different angle because I feel like the closet was throwing me off back there. Okay, so I think I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. Okay, it's really cute. I am going salsa dancing tomorrow. We're gonna be salsa dancing at my friend's birthday party. She's my close friend. I call her a sister. She was one of my roommates I roomed with. Love her to death. That's my close friend. I swear to God, a best friend, a sister. Well, and I see it's a difference between best friend and sisters. Like, that's a big difference. I have a best friend who wedding I'm going to in August, and I'm gonna have a different wig for that. And I got my sister, her birthday I'm going to tomorrow. So y'all, this is really cute. The brand, if you want to know, is called Gorgeous. Oh, and it come with a bag. I wish they put, and it come with a hair cap, and I bought an extra hair cap. Yeah, you know what? It's okay. But it's a good wig, so Gorgeous, that's what this is. It's not bad for $65, okay? I really just wanted to see what I look like in it, and I'm not mad at it. I look a little uncheap, but I'm not mad at it, y'all. Okay. I can see a little more. My sister told me to brush the, she said she loved it. I could brush it out if I want to make it a little more flowier, but I'm not mad at wearing it tomorrow. This is cute. Okay, your girl with hair. Y'all see me with hair and without now. I love hair. I really want to it's like I like short hair better because it's too hot. So I'm wearing a wig for graduation because I wanted the cap on there, and my sister designed my cap. Can't wait for graduation because I have so much stuff I gotta do. And so yeah, and I'm gonna go for like a reddish brown wig that time. But this is really pretty. I'm not mad at it. I really just wanted to see what I look like with bangs, y'all. And like, this is crazy because I have a big forehead and I have a big face. So I actually like the fact that I can't see much. I can see, but it's like, it looked like I can't see. I still feel like it's giving me the Oompa Loompa, but it's cute. It's cute though. So yeah, what do you guys think? So this is $65. I'll leave it in the link in the description of where I got it from for you guys if you want to see it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now y'all see me with hair. That's crazy. It's gonna be different when I like yank this off. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow me on Instagram at IronTouchAndAgree. I'm forgetting all my stuff, y'all. And I'll see you beautiful people on the next video. You know what? I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. Y'all, I'm so used to wearing short hair. Oh my God. This is so cute. I need to cut these bangs a little more.